Well, that stuff does harden up pretty quick. So I'm just reaching over inside of here. Feels pretty good. So what I'm going to do is set y'all down and carefully try to stand it back up, and that way I can make some of that kind of wet and pour it down in there where that next spot that I want to work on. Actually, you can see that crack in the sidewall right there. We're going to work on that. Charlie! Charlie! You hear me back here talking, little man? You must be thinking, how come you don't have me? How come you don't have me out here, Daddy? If you're out here talking to people, how come I'm not invited? Huh? Well, I didn't mean to leave you out. I was just back here talking to my YouTube buddies. So don't you go be peeing on anything back here. You need to go outside. I see where you're headed there. Hang on a second. I get you. There you go. Have to watch him. If you don't, he'll find himself a pee spot that you hadn't previously approved of, and he'll take advantage of it, which can be a little bit of a problem if that's not something you want to have peed on. That's part of the fun of having a dog, I guess, is trying to figure out how to get him to let you tell him where to pee. Ouch, it's hot stuff right there. Okay, I believe from that angle I can do a lot of damage, and then we'll come back to where we go from there. Oh, the joy. So we're back in here. We have a big old crack. It runs all like that. So I'm going to mix some of this up and put it all in there. The crack may go all the way around here, so I'm going to sort of mix it thick and start spreading it from here and work my way up and around. Let me show you the pot. Yesterday I was working on the fire pot, and that's it. It is workable like that. It's probably stronger than it was before, and my wife's daughter's going to come pick it up. We're going to carefully load it in the car. She's going to get someone to help her unload it and put it on her back porch. I got her a little piece of metal to put under it to catch ashes and things if they fall down. And also we found the best way to carry that is to lay it on a towel and get one person on each side and lift the towel, because otherwise you're trying to grab a round ball and balance it between two people, or even worse, you can throw your hand around and grab inside the hole, and of course that's a great way to break it. It's probably a lot stronger than it was before, but I know it's heavier too, because I put pretty good bit of concrete stuff in that. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that before we go on to whatever's next.